Alright, guys, this is the beginning. So, what's gonna happen? This is World War II. World War II? But I thought World War War just happened. I thought World War I happened. It did. There's now World War II. Meanwhile, in the Birdseas area, we've collected so many riches. Even better, the Birditary can't get to us here. Yes, they don't know about our secret station. And now we have riches like here. You do realize this is bird seeds and we're just thieving nothing, really. Oh, this is valuable. Very valuable. True. Now. Alright, y'all, this is the beginning. Let's do this. You ready for America? Yes! Yes, sir. What is it? They're marching towards us. What? Alright, let's fire! Wait, soldier, scout, you guys ready? I'm ready for anything. Wait, did I scout? I'm at sniper. Sniper, you ready? Yep. Soldier? Yep. Come on, Boots, we can do this. I know, Chief. I know. Alright, bots. Alright, birdseas. This is only the beginning. 3, 2, 1, fight! Well, if it isn't Crow and Blackfeet. Oh. That's not what I wanted. Oh, I won't go down that easy. I'm worried, Chief. Don't worry, Sniper. Aim, fire! Sir, Sniper was taken out. No. Alright, we're starting to lose men now. Turn around, Chief. What? What do you mean turn around? Turn around. Okay. Crow, you can't do this. Say goodbye. Wait, you're alive? Jerry, how could you be alive? I thought Crow shot you. He did, and that's karma for doing that. Okay. Oh no, you don't, Iron Bird. Just where I want him. Bulk! Smash botsies! General, bullets are coming towards me. What is it? General, bullets are coming towards me. Bullets are coming towards you. Shotgun? Shotgun, you alright? Shotgun? Pick up! Oh no. Alright, we lost shotgun. You... Why would you do this, Plague? Because, well, one, my name's Plague, and two, I'm a botsy baby. General, no. Boots, run. Run and never look back. Okay. Finished off the general. Maybe Bittler will give me a bigger role. I might even be his right-hand man. So this is where the stash is. Oh no, he figured out our precious stash. Well, guard it. Yeah, I don't think you guys will be doing that anytime soon. What's going on? A nuke set off. A nuke? The Botsies must have planned out this nuke. Well, goodbye. And these are the only remaining members who survived the nuke. Don't count Boots out. Wait, Boots, you're alive? I thought you died from the nuke. I fell off a mountain, but I'm okay. Only my boots didn't survive. That sucks. And these are the remaining birdsies that survived the nuke. Fire! Wait, I have to sneeze. What? Alright. So, yeah. Owl shot a rocket which blew up all the Botsies. I mean, not all of them, but this group. Now, here's some sad deaths. So, Scout, one of the Botsies, showed up and killed Crane. The Quack killed Black Duck. Red killed Bert. The Quack was killed by the Crow duo. Macho Bird killed these little groups of Botsies. But Macho Bird would soon be killed by Svensson. Jerry would kill the Crow duo. And then, after that, this happened. I got new boots. Alright, Svensson. The nuke. Where'd you get it? You want one? Copy bird. Come on. Just tell me where'd you get the nuke. I will not stop strangling you until you give me information. Where's your leader? Where is Birdler? Birdler? He's not here. Boots, did you really have to snap Svensson's neck? Well, hey, he was a jerk. True, he was a Botsy after all. No, it can't be. Yes, it is. No. But Birdler? Yes, it's me. We'll stop you, even though you're the leader of the Birdsies. We could still defeat you. Oh, 99999. I'm more powerful than you think. Now here's what happened. So then they all had to fight Birdler, and Birdler killed Jerry. He also killed Bulk. He killed Owl. And he killed Red. There were only 2 people remaining. The leader of the Birdetary and Boots. They managed to defeat Birdler after a long battle. Birdler would soon retreat, go to an area, and then he would take a pill. This pill ended him. And so the last 2 survivors are leader of the Birdetary and Boots.